I'm Golden Valley's Park Maintenance Supervisor Al Lundstrom. Today we're going to do a virtual tour of Golden Valley's Park Maintenance Building. We are currently located right below the water tower here in Golden Valley. We are also on the same campus with City Hall, Public Safety, and the other public works buildings that include streets, utilities, and vehicle maintenance. So let's get started. We'll head on in. Alright, as I mentioned, Golden Valley's campus, City Hall, Public Safety, and Public Works is located right below the water tower in Golden Valley. And today we're going to do a walkthrough of the park maintenance facility. Golden Valley's park maintenance staff consists of 8 full-time staff. The 8 full-time staff includes supervisor, crew leader, and forester, and the maintenance staff. It's a quick shot of the panoramic view of our park maintenance facility, primarily all park maintenance equipment, although all this equipment is shared through streets, utilities, and golf maintenance as well. Our upper office areas include supervisor, crew leader offices, lunchroom, break room, and of course our city forester as well. Our white utility vehicles are all set up and customized depending on what maintenance needs we have. So those vehicles will supply things for outdoor electrical repairs, plumbing, building maintenance repairs, outdoor irrigation, and of course cleaning supplies for all the shelters, just to name a few. Our maintenance equipment consists of a variety of tools like our tool cats, which can switch out from loading to mowing to plowing to forklifts, and you name it. Very versatile equipment. Our lawn mowing equipment, loaders, and of course our 5910 Toros, which many of you see out daily throughout our park systems. A couple of them are going 5 days a week, 8 hours a day to mow the parks, and various other pieces of equipment for line painting of the athletic fields, fertilizing applications, and ball field maintenance, which includes ball diamond dragging and other various maintenance equipment. This is our summer setup. In the winter, this entire row of equipment is going to look completely different. This equipment will have large John Deere tractors with brooms on them for ice rink maintenance, and scrapers and blowers. We have 16 rinks in the city of Golden Valley on 10 different locations that are maintained 6 days a week. Okay, well that concludes our park maintenance facility tour. Please remember, if you have any park maintenance needs or questions or concerns, please feel free to email us. Check out our email addresses on the Golden Valley City website, or just give us a call anytime. We're really rely on our staff and you to let us know what's going on in our park system, and many times it's our residents who help us determine what those needs are, because we can't be to all 4 corners of the city all the time. So thank you again, and have a great day.